Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Cravings with Krishna. Today we are going to prepare veg dum biryani. So these are the ingredients we need to prepare veg biryani. Just make sure you use a good mix of fresh vegetables for maximum color, flavors and taste. We need long grain rice, capsicum, potatoes, carrots, cauliflower. You can also use peas and other vegetable available at your home. I have taken paneer, cut it into cubes. I have taken 4 onions and cut into thin slices. I have used fresh curd. We need 1 cup of curd. Ginger garlic paste, biryani powder, bay leaves, javitri, star anise, sahi jeera, green cardamom, black cardamom, whole black pepper, cloves and cinnamon stick. These are the whole garam masala. This is garam masala powder, turmeric powder, chilli powder, salt. This is optional using kevda water and biryani essence. These are also optional ingredients. And adding more flavor to biryani, we need butter, freshly chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves, slight green chili and lemon. So let's start making biryani. First we need to soak the rice for 1 hour. Keep this rice for 1 hour. Now take a bowl, add all the veggies, capsicum, cauliflowers, potatoes, carrots. To this bowl add some sliced onion. Add ginger garlic paste, some biryani powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, red chili powder. You can adjust the red chili powder according to the taste you need. Add salt, green chili, mint leaf, coriander leaf, add the whole garam masalas, keep the rest to be used while making the biryani. Mix everything well. Let's marinate the veggies by adding curd to it. For flavor, add biryani essence and kevda water. These are optional. At last, add the paneer. Otherwise, the paneer will break while mixing all. Rest the marinated veggies. The fried onions is the key ingredients in a biryani. This adds more flavor and aroma to a biryani. Take a pan, heat the oil and add the onions. Fry it till it's golden brown. Now remove it and keep aside in a tissue paper. Let it cool down. The next step is preparing the rice for the biryani. Take a dish, pour water, add all the garam masalas, squeeze half lemon. Add salt, butter and kevda water and biryani essence. This is optional. Let the water boil. When the water starts boiling, add the soaked rice. Let the rice cook it 70%. It is called al dente the rice. Remove the rice. Now let's fry the veggies. Heat the oil, add few whole garam masala and to the oil add the marinated veggies. Mix it well. Cover it and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. You can see the veggies are almost ready. This is the gravy for veg biryani. You can see everything is ready. The rice, the fried onions, the vegetable gravy and dough. Heat a dish, grease it with butter so that nothing sticks to the base of the dish. First add 70% of the vegetable gravy prepared. Then layer it with 50% of rice. Now sprinkle some fried onions. Add biryani masala, garam masala, freshly chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. Again repeat the same procedure by adding the rest of the vegetable gravy. Then finally add all the remaining rice. Add the rest of the fried onions. Add biryani masala, garam masala, few drops of biryani essence and kevda water, freshly chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves, and add some butter on the top. Cover the biryani so that no aroma comes out. Cover it properly using the atta dough. I am using a regular tawa to steam the biryani. The veggies don't stick to the bottom of the dish or the veggies are burned. Cook this biryani for 30 to 40 minutes in medium flame. You can see the biryani is done now. Let's remove the dough. The beautiful aroma is coming from the biryani. You can see the color. Everything is perfectly cooked. Let's remove it to a plate. You can see it's so light and fluffy. So veg dum biryani is ready. Enjoy with raita. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.